In this video, I will show you how to fix the cap dice limit in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do is open up Monopoly Go on my device. Now there's actually two ways that you can go ahead and fix the capped dice, so you can actually go over the limit. So if you look at the bottom, at the moment the limit is set to 80. However, to go over this, what you can do is if you come down to your album and if you've got some duplicate stickers, what you can do is press onto this little safe icon down here, and what you can do is trade your duplicate stickers for rewards. So for any of these safes, once you've done that, you will be rewarded with certain rewards like dice and stickers, and if you get dice that takes you over the limit, it's automatically going to take you over your capped limit. Now the second method in order to fix the capped dice and go over the limit is to actually complete the current tournaments. So the tournament currently is over here on the right hand side, so I'm going to press onto it, and it's this broomstick bash tournament. So when this ends in 8 hours and 20 minutes, what's going to happen depending on what place you've come in the tournament, as you can see some of the rewards are dice. So for the top position, if you come first, you're going to win 1,500 dice. Now when this gets added, of course, again that's going to take you over the limit. So that's how to go ahead and fix capped dice in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.